Hello beautiful people out there. So before moving to talking about interning with Punjab State Human Rights Commission, I'd like to tell you that I am a student of BA LLB, which is the 5 years integrated law course. Anybody who's currently doing law would definitely relate to me when I say that internships are the most important aspect of your life as a law student. Because that is the initial time when you first get to see how lawyers work and what is the whole on-field work like. So I talked to a lot of professors, I talked to a lot of seniors, and they told me that working with the State Human Rights Commission would be great because one, I am really inclined towards human rights, and second, that they offer internships. So Punjab State Human Rights Commission, located really near to my house in Chandigarh, I thought, let's do it. So Punjab State Human Rights Commission offers two kind of internships. One is the summer program and the other is the winter programs. The biggest perk of working with Human Rights Commission, Punjab State Human Rights Commission, is that their timings are very, very favorable for children because summer internships happen in summer breaks and winter internships happen in winter breaks. These are one month long internship programs. And although you can get all the information about how to apply, when to apply on their official website, but since when I was searching for my internship, I did not find a lot of stuff. So I thought it would be really great to be having such a platform and showing people and telling and sharing my experience of working within Punjab State Human Rights Commission. So one of the most important questions is when to apply. You have to be really active and keep checking their official website to know when to apply because the last date of submission occurs on their notifications board of their official website. So if you're applying for the summer internship, be really active, start checking it from March, okay? And if you're applying for the winter's internship, start checking it from, say, October. Okay, so you are checking it and you will come to know about the date of the last date of submission. Like since I am currently doing the winter internship program, my last date of submission was 30th November. That's it. And the six most important ingredients that they need that you have to collect and send them are: number 1, your 10th mark sheet; number 2, your 12th mark sheet; number 3, a 500 words write-up; number 4, 2 of your photographs; number 5, a form that is available on their site, it is known as Annexure 1; number 6, a recommendation letter from the HOD of your department or of your college whatsoever. Right now, 10th mark sheet acts as your age confirmer. 12th mark sheet is because they actually prepare rank system, they actually prepare a merit on the basis of which selections happen. So I think it's like a 60-40 kind of a dividing stuff. Like the 12th mark sheet has 40% weightage and the 500 words write-up has 60% weightage. So moving on to the 500 words write-up, the write-up should include why you want to intern at PSHRC and why PSHRC is important to you. What I wrote was that how I want to really spread awareness about Human Rights Commission and why internships or why Human Rights Commission actually excites me a lot. So honestly, there is no hard and fast rule about it. You can just go on about, make sure it's a little presentable, and also it has to be handwritten, no printing or no typing, nothing. It has to be handwritten, 100% original. So let this be an insider news for you that since Punjab State Human Rights Commission really wants to spread a lot of information, knowledge about human rights, they generally accept all the applications that come to them. But yes, the merits, the ranks are prepared on the basis of how many applications come to them. So like last year or last year, they had more than 500 applications. When that was the time when actually the ranks were prepared, the merits were prepared, and there were applications that were not allowed to have attended the internship. So that now there are various ways that you can send all those 6 things to them. One is through email. They have their email ID, which is intern.pshrc@gmail.com. All the information that I'm giving here would be available in the description box, so do not forget to refer to that. One is through email. So the second is you can actually post it. Post is if you are not very familiar with your internet stuff, which is not very common. Okay, or let's have it. Everybody knows how to use Gmail, right? So the second is by post. You post it to them, and third is through dropping all those 6 things at their office desk, which is located in sector 34. I will leave the exact address down below. And you know, honestly, as a personal note, I'd like to say that you should definitely start. If you are starting off with your internships, then PSHRC is a great platform to kickstart your law career or to have a breakthrough in that, because they're actually showing us how lawyers work on field and how legal assistants work and how cases are decided. We have debates, we have a lot of things to do, so it is an experience worth it. Our timings are 10 to 4, 10 to 5. It keeps varying. 4 gets stretched to 4:30, 4:45. So I consider it as 5. So it's 10 to 5. Summer internship programs are, I guess, 9 to 4 or 9 to 3 or 9 to 5. It varies. But yes, they do begin at 9 in the summers and 10 in the winters. And it is a 5-hour. It is like that. It is that long. And 2 weeks you have to go for in-office work, and the next 2 weeks are your projects. Okay. And why not? Like, yes, let's do it. Let's kickstart. Let's go for internships at Punjab State Human Rights Commission. I hope that video was informative for you. If it was, then do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down any other queries that you had. I would try to, get back to you as soon as possible, and I would definitely, if I would be able to, I would get information from the concerned authorities and would write it down. Also, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, because, of course, I'm going to make other videos. I'm going to intern at other places and everything. I'm going to intern here. I'm going to keep sharing my experience here. So subscribe for that. Also, I have other videos. Check them out. Share this video so that anybody who needs, anybody who's looking for it, gets to know about it. Bye.